everyone, today I'm going to be painting a Valentine's Day dragon. I gave this to my dad for Valentine's Day, but I was too lazy to edit the video until now, so enjoy. This is such a cute model. I found it on Colts 3D and it's just a cute little dragon guy holding a heart. I'm going to paint the dragon green and then his wings will be darker green and then of course the heart will be bright red. I found this part so satisfying. I'm used to painting things that are crazy detailed, so doing just a more simple cartoony miniature was actually really fun. And he's so cute too! I thought I'd show more of just the painting process because, again, I didn't do a huge amount of details on this guy and I find it satisfying to watch. And now we're on to the eyes. For his eyelids, I did a lighter color of green, just so they'd stand out a bit. I'm not sure why, but I actually painted the pupils before I painted the whites of the eyes. I cannot explain myself for that one, but it ended up working out okay. I just love painting the eyes. It gives the whole miniature so much life. And now we're on to painting the heart. And now we're just finishing painting up the heart. I added some lettering, 10 out of 10 dad. But the heart was too red. She was right, it did look like a tomato, so I repainted it and made it a darker red. No tomatoes! Okay, now we're going to be painting the base a dark brown. And now his little spines, they're so cute. I'm just going in with a really basic yellow. Again, I'm not doing anything crazy detailed here. I'm embracing the simply cartoony style of this little dude. And here he is almost done. I decided to line him, which is where I draw thin black lines in all the details so he stands out more. I didn't actually video this part though. Alright, well thanks for watching.